Are you being the version of you that already has that thing, person, or situation that you want? And by that, I do not mean, are you faking it till you make it? Are you doing the things that you logically think will lead you to being able to have the thing, person, or situation that you want? No. I'm referring to, if you already had that thing, person, or situation, how would you be living your life? Are you going out and enjoying yourself? Are you eating the things that you want but not feeling like you have to binge on them because you'll never get to have them again, because you know that you can have them whenever you want, so you're eating them in moderation but also allowing yourself to have them? Are you feeling cool, calm, collected, right? And if not, then I definitely implore you to incorporate in my manifestation cheat codes. Is it the cheat codes that manifest the things that you want? No, it's who you're being, but they are just ways in which you can allow yourself to receive the things that you want. So what are they? For those who don't know, and for those who do, a reminder: feel good things, aka doing things that you enjoy that are unrelated or seemingly unrelated to your manifestation. Because when you do those things, so often you end up crossing paths with something that either is immediately obvious, has led you in the right direction to your manifestation, or you look back at the bridge of incidents and can see how it led you there somehow, that you would never have been able to orchestrate in your own mind, thinking from a logical place, because manifestation isn't logical. So feel good things, nervous system regulation work, feeling cool, calm, collected, right? It's also not just about calming your nervous system, it's about letting out the emotions that come up for you. Do you want to cry? Cry then. Are you angry? Fucking punch a pillow or scream into a pillow or something. Or do some intense exercise that gets that frustration out of you. Express it and release it so you can let it go. It's you releasing the old story so you can allow space for the things that you want to come in, instead of holding on to the old story that keeps them from you. Are you, third cheat code, self-concept work? Are you treating yourself how you want to be treated? Or are you still looking outside, waiting for someone to make you feel the way you want to feel? Love, care for, respect, prioritize, commit to yourself. And when you do that, when you choose yourself, other people and the things and situations that you're manifesting that you want to experience will choose you. But as long as you are pandering to other people in hopes that you will be liked, or holding on to every penny in hopes that you will get rich, would a rich person be holding on to every penny? No. An effortlessly rich or wealthy person circulates money, right? Those are two examples. The love and money are the two main examples. Are you living your life today as if you already have the thing you want? Not in the sense of trying to logically take the steps to get there, but as if you had no worries about how the things that you want to experience can happen.